So the boat goes full of water. And slowly we're getting panic.
It's like a Titanic.
Yeah, Titanic.
Help, we're sinking.
What's going on here? Tagay! Today we are on the way to an adventure. So we rented this car for 3 days or maybe for 4 days, we will see, and going to nice beaches south of Manila. And now we're leaving here this area. We are now on Palenque. Sam has a nice makeup that daughter Erin did, and there are the kiddies.
Hi guys.
Yeah. This is the car. It's a nice car. Very new. Only 15k kilometers live. What is it?
What's alak? Ano alak to? Ano alak to? Carlos.
Huh?
Carlos.
Come.
Come.
Oh wow! Tagay! I need to drive.
Water.
Let's jump.
Thank you.
It's good. Good. Why are you making party? Why are you making party? What is the reason they're making party?
San Juan making a fiesta.
Because the community.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Salamat.
What's your page?
Huh?
What's your page?
Ning Wasabi. N-I-N-G. Wasabi. Ning Wasabi. N-I-N-G.
Thank you.
Phone here? Phone.
We invite you on a detour on
Alfonso.
Thank you. Everybody needs to subscribe.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Our first stop.
Yeah, guys, you can see how friendly the Filipinos are.
Thank you.
Additional na reserve po ay may kabuuan ng 2,000
Enjoy your party. Yes.
Diyan, tinapayagan ng isda, mga pangkabuhayan, mga taong nakatira sa palibot ng protected area. Ang trade protection po naman ay nagbabawalan ng mga human activities kasi doon sa street protection makikita natin doon yung mga nesting site, yung mga kasi po endanger na po yun. Nagbabantay po kami rito 24/7. Kami dito sa Timar, naniniwala kami na hindi natin minahal ang palikasan kasi ito ay maganda. Nagiging maganda ito dahil sa ating pagmamahal.
Absorb its Of course, let's not forget the Filipino tour, where you'll find endemic Philippine bats and ducks
Again?
on plain sight. Look at the beaches and deep tucked away on your day. It's 57%. You won't even notice you're spending the whole day here.
Pwede kayo mag-swimming dito, saka snorkeling, and pwede rin
Thank you, we go!
Pwede kayo mag-swimming dito, saka snorkeling, and pwede rin
Thank you, we go! Bye-bye! Thank you!
unti-unti na rin yung mga tao dito. Meron na rin buhay na like yung mga nakakita natin.
Bye-bye, guys! Thank you! Huh? Fun!
I think, mahal.
Oh, that was nice. Hey, 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 hey.
They're asking now money.
No. They back all in the jeepney, also the people. Close jeepney. Oh, how funny the Filipinos are.
Wait,
and I'm wet now. Yeah, mahal, then let me concentrate.
Love! Baliw!
Yeah. So donation, yeah? Donation, yeah. Bye-bye. So after I got a shower, we arrived in Nasugbo.
Finally.
Finally. Huh?
You pronounce it right. Nabukso. Nasugbo.
Nagbuso.
Nabukso. Nasugbo.
Nasugbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, only 5 kilometers left. Hi guys, so we are arrived in Nasugbo like very early, but the whole day it was rainy, but then there was coming a big rain and you can see the weather. Now it's only a little bit rainy and there are already drops on the lands, but it is what it is. And here we will now making a small adventure, just skating with the boat on the other side and going to some place that we not really don't know. Canyon Cove. Let's see, it's a surprise for me as well. It's a surprise what will happen there. Yeah, and then we have our friends, but the friends don't want to be in the video, so I need to see how I can handle this, or I need to blur them, whatever. But let's go for now and look what surprises are awaiting there. So it is now actually it is 4 p.m. Yeah, and you can see the weather is like a little bit rainy. Yeah.
Hey guys. Naka-camera ba ako nakalook ah?
Be careful, they're slippery. You mag-down.
Hi.
Hi. We are on the boat.
Ilag po sa
Oh, we keep going through this?
Dali.
Oh, that's fine.
Payong mo.
Mahal, you need to
Ate.
It's okay.
yung sombre.
Uy.
Grabe naman sila. Nagbibit sila pa yun.
Iyan na naman na dali.
So where we go? There to the trash?
Alin ba tatay mo dyan?
And again, we don't know what will happen there. Yeah, it's a surprise for us. It's a surprise for us. Yeah, we not really know where we go.
Mahal, it's a big wave. Look. Oh my God.
Nasa loob pa kaya yan.
This is a big wave?
Already a big wave.
No. Yeah, it's not the first time I'm on the sea. I mean, yeah, but he knows more about this because he's a fisherman. Okay, see you at the next step when we know what happened here.
Tingnan mo! What's up the stones is slippery.
Oh my god. This is really an adventure.
Yes, exactly. This is one.
Adventure talaga, masarap.
Kaya makikihagod ka ng cellphone ko. Tara, let's go. Let's tayo sa kabila.
Let's go?
Look, mabansay.
Yeah, I can go. My god, kids.
My goodness.
My goodness.
Andito na silang yun.
Dito na ba silang yun?
Nilipad sa dagat. That's disgusting. Dahil sa ako niyan.
Thank you.
Atin yung pumpers.
Daddy Ning, your bumpers is here.
Yung pumpers.
Hindi mo might.
What's going on here? Coconuts. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's actually nice here. I mean, but I don't know if this is the goal, the destination of the surprise. Let's see. So now I'm the one. Oh, that's big waves. And Banza is already in the water. With 2 backpacks. But with strong arms. My legs are weak. My arms are strong. Is this a destination here? No. Ah, yeah, guys. That was a surprise. We were going behind this port, whatever. No, not port. I don't know. Huh?
Look at the boat is sinking already.
Yeah. So, I told you we going to a surprise. We didn't know, but just behind there was a beach. That was all, and it was nice. But I didn't film. But I have some footage from the iPhone. I will show you. And what happened now is we pass again back with the boat, and the boat going on a stone and broke. So the boat go full of water. And slowly we're getting panic because of the camera, of all the phones and everything. But we didn't know that it's not deep. You know, we can walk here. And everything was fine. And we were in panic about the gadgets, but everything is okay, you know. That was the funny trip today. Like going to the surprise, it was just a beach, and now it's low tide. You can see it's low tide.
It was deep.
And yeah, fun action.
It was scary, but it's not deep.
Yeah, no, but we were in panic because we didn't know that it's not deep.
Yeah, we got panic.
Yeah.
Everyone is panic.
Yeah, but we are fine now, and now we are going back.
It's better to get wet than dangerous.
Yeah.
But it's not dangerous.
No broken camera, no broken. There's a fish.
But Male was shaking.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
too.
everyone got
I was not
nervous.
shaking. I was only afraid of the gadgets.
I cannot stand up anymore.
We passed by a rock. That's why the boat was
Yeah,
having.
and that makes scared. Yeah.
Yes.
Like slowly the water comes in, and then more and more and more, and we thought, oh my God. I mean, we can swim.
It's like a Titanic.
Yeah, Titanic.
Help, we're sinking.
We needed Mahal. We needed to go in front.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was only panicking about the gadgets. That's all.
Me as well.
Yeah, not because we can swim. It's not a life danger, but okay. Now everything is
I
fine.
can swim, but I get panic. And then I was affected with the kids because Erin is panicking.
So it was a good adventure.
I know.
Very nice.
Ano, mas slippers.
Oh God, look guys.
Ano yan?
No,
May mga bato?
Apo, meron po, te.
it's okay. Oh my God. Shit. It's okay. Hello. Hello po. Some dead fishes, thank you. There is a broken boat in the distance.
The boat is broken.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Survive, finally.
Okay, now.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Yeah. It's fun in the Philippines.
It's funny. The boat's broken because of the anchor big boat.
It was an anchor.
The anchor
The anchor?
is broken to the small boat.
Oh no. But Kuya knows that he need to make a bigger curve.
Uri na nira po. Anong cellphone? Inihatag ng kanay.
Okay guys, see you in the next one. Yeah, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you, bye bye. Good morning, Palenque here. Here's Palenque. Come to Palenque, buy fish and rice. Thank you. Today we're going on this other adventure to a nipa hut and a beach.